everyone, welcome to Gus 2 Wheeling. Out here on, that's Interstate 81 behind me, we got the Honda VTX1300R, the workhorse. Gonna head on down to Harrisonburg, Virginia. Just west from there, we're gonna go to a pretty cool place. So come on along.
I think this is it. Yep, we're here. High Knob Fire Tower. Leave it in gear, turn it off.
All right, so we're here. Beautiful mountain views here. Alrighty, Honda Fire Tower. Construction of the tower started in 1939 by World War I vets. And it was completed in 1940 by World War I vets and Civil Conservation Corps. I'll hold the camera here so you all can pause the video and read all this. Alrighty, let's head on up. Let's head on up. Alrighty. There was some young couple here a little bit ago. They said you start here, follow this trail. Whew, that was a big incline right here. Almost there. Slow and steady wins the race. All right, we're almost here to the top of the Honda Fire Tower. Jared,
what's going on, guys?
Came up behind me on the hike, and it's good to have him here with me because, you know, in case I have a heart attack or something.
Yeah, let's hope not, man.
Yeah, because I know this was going to be a hard hike, but I don't usually hike that often. Barely at all, ever. Just nothing like this with steep inclines like this. But Jared, you've been here 4 times?
Yes, yep. I've been here 4 times. I'm a student right at JMU, so you know it's only like a 40-minute drive for me to get here, not too far away. And I mean, it's breathtaking. Once we get to the top, y'all are gonna see it for yourselves. It's gorgeous. Yeah.
And you're a senior this year, right?
Yep, I'm a senior. I'm graduating in about 3 weeks.
Nice.
And it's bittersweet. It's bittersweet. I'm excited for the time that I've had here. But I'm also, you know, a little sad to leave too.
Yeah, well, good. Yeah, James Madison's a good school.
I love it.
I like it.
I love it.
Yes. Well, here we are. Stone, huh? Stone fire
That's
tower.
right. Yep. I think there's a cornerstone that says it's built in the in the 50s.
No, I saw the sign down there. I think it said earlier.
Earlier
like
than that? Okay.
1940 maybe? I don't know. We'll see.
Go.
Let me go over to this sign so I can hold it there for a second so they can pause the video and check everything out. Honda fire detection tower, the ridge between Virginia and West Virginia state line, George Washington National Forest. So since you've been up here a few times, which way is West Virginia?
That away.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Nice.
I'm pretty sure once we get up
Well, it's got to be because there's more mountains over here. It's not as many, and it's going down to the valley, I guess, right? So you said there's a...
Yeah, right over here. Here's that cornerstone.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. It's like a little plaque thing. Maybe they put this here in '56, or maybe that was when it started. But I don't know. But cool. You know.
And I think I read that like in the 60s they stopped using it. They used other methods to see if there were fires in the mountains. I guess helicopters, who knows?
Probably.
Yeah.
I'm not totally sure, but it's wild thinking that they had someone just stationed here.
Yeah.
Just that was their job.
Yeah.
Around and just living here for a little bit.
Oh, wow. Yeah, but it's beautiful.
We can go up to the top too.
Oh, yeah, definitely. That's what the hike was all about. We made it, Jared.
We made it.
Oh,
man.
my gosh. Is that Switzer Lake? What's
It is. Yep.
Okay, I saw that online too.
That's right. Yep.
Good gosh, it's beautiful. I know the GoPro's not giving the view justice like we can see it, I don't think.
Yeah.
But it's
Hopefully it's doing good enough,
yeah.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
That's nice. So then the other side is the West Virginia side, right?
Yep.
Dang, look at that. Man.
I mean, it just goes. It just goes.
That's awesome.
So quiet.
That's what I was just getting ready to say. It is so quiet.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
It's really peaceful up here.
So we're at elevation a little over 4,000, I think it is.
Is that what it said? I can't remember.
Something. It's that hike felt like we went up over 4,000 feet above sea level. I mean, if I would have had shorts on and not layered up because I've rode a motorcycle down here, I think I would have been.
Yeah,
It would have been a little easier for me.
A lot different, yeah.
Wow, this is awesome.
Yeah, this is I really enjoy coming here. 'Cause I mean,
Yeah.
dude, just look around.
And what? These are ladybugs inside here?
Yes. Yes.
Dang, there's like tons of them.
Too many.
Yeah.
It's pretty gross.
Wow.
You got like all the
They're getting in through somewhere, and those are the dead
all
ones?
the dead ones, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's a little gross, but they're staying warm in there. Even though it's not even really that cold today.
Nah. Yeah, because I've been wanting to come down here, and, you know, the weather this past week has been cold.
Yeah.
Cold. We had snow out in Winchester and West Martinsburg like a couple Mondays ago. It like snowed all of a sudden.
Yep,
Like,
we got that same storm here too. It's like, what?
and then the day before it was like 70 degrees and sunny. It's like, what the heck is this all about?
Yes. Yep.
Yeah, this is nice.
How long was your bike, like your ride to get here?
It was like, well, I stopped a couple times.
Okay.
When I did the Google Maps, it said like 2 hours and 15 minutes if it would have been a straight shot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that lake's awesome.
I've camped down there before.
Oh, you have?
Mm-hmm. And I've boated out there before too. Looked up here to try and find this, and I could never find it.
Yeah.
Like I've tried to look back up and see if I could see the tower, but I couldn't.
How are y'all?
This is in that case.
How are
Hi,
y'all?
how you doing?
Hello, hello.
Was there a motorcycle down in the parking lot when y'all?
Yes, there was.
Okay. Nice.
Yours, huh?
Yeah.
So that where all those buildings are.
Wow, that is no handrail.
I'm told there's several of these old fire towers around.
Hello.
Hello.
Beautiful day, huh?
It is a nice day.
Yeah. Oh, another set of stairs. At least this one's got a handrail. I'm glad I don't have a size 13 shoe.
Yeah, man. Even still, like I got like 10, size 10, and I'm walking sideways because I don't trust myself.
Yeah. Nice.
Hello. All right.
Hello.
It's funny too. The clouds kind of like, you know, it was a little.
Yeah, it's gotten brighter
Yeah.
since we've been here.
I noticed that too.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Wonderful.
Built by World War I vets, and what is it? The Civil
Oh, the CCC or whatever.
CC? Yeah.
I don't even know. I can't remember.
Yeah.
Conservation Civil Corps. Civil
Yeah.
Conservation Corps.
Yeah, yeah.
Something like that.
All right, so it's all downhill from here, right, Jer?
Yeah, man.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty chill. Yeah, I'd say honestly the hardest part going downhill is that spot right where I first met you. I was coming up and you were right at the top of that. You're trying to figure out whether you're left or right.
Was catching my breath.
Yeah, because dude, I was going up that, had to stop in the middle, like huffing and puffing.
All right. It was a lot quicker coming downhill, wasn't it, Jer?
That's right, man. A lot easier.
This old made it easier for this old guy. Yeah. But what a beautiful views up there at High Knob Fire Tower.
That's right.
You've been up there 4 times, or was this your 5th?
I think this is my 5th time now. Yep.
5th time now, yeah.
Yep,
So Jared goes to James Madison University. He's graduating. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Wish you a bright future.
Thank you.
You're going to be starting to tell me about a little bit about an internship and all that. So
yep, next step's coming, man.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
Next chapter into adulthood.
That's right.
Yeah,
That's
but
right.
anyways, well, hope you all enjoyed the video. A little bike and hike action today. Rode down here, and then how much is it? It's 2-point-some miles round trip.
I think so, like 2.5, maybe 3.
Yeah,
Not totally
almost
sure.
3 miles. 1.5 miles up and back. So,
Yeah.
whew, I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
That's right.
Yeah. But anyways, thank you all for watching Gus Two Wheeling. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Click like on the video, post any comments down below, and thank you, Jared, for coming along.
For sure, yes.
Man, ran into him. He was my motivator to get me up the rest of the way, because I was thinking about turning back. Yeah, but anyway, all right.
Alrighty.
Thank you all.
Bye, guys.
Bye.